Oh my gosh. Last at bat. Let's go win the game. Walk-off home run right now.
Waiting for Joseph to get down in a crouch. He's still standing. If he extends his right arm, he'll be able to hear the boos all the way to Staten Island. But instead, he gets into a crouch. Competitive as Buck is, I don't think he dares to do this.
Let's go!
He won the game!
He won the game! Oh! He won it! Walk off it!
Oh my
Yeah!
God!
Let's go! Woo! Oh, he got. Oh!
Are you kidding?